Hello fellow entrepreneurs, welcome back to another episode of our series Introduction to Vending Industry. In this episode, we are going to talk about the hurdles that you need to overcome or at least be aware of if you want to thrive in your vending venture. This will also help us understand why we do not see a lot of vending machines around us. So without further ado, let's get started. The initial investment of procuring a vending machine and then filling it with desired product is very high, and the sales pick up at a low pace. This means that it is highly likely that you might face a cash crunch situation while scaling your vending venture. To further make the matter worse, we have the concept of maximum retail price in India. This means the manufacturer controls the price at which a product can be sold. And as we know, we cannot sell a lot of products through a vending machine. The maximum profit that can be generated is at the mercy of a product brand, and it is not very high. Most people believe that vending business is completely a passive income source, but this is not 100% true. To identify the desired products to be sold through a vending machine and to periodically check if the machine is stocked with those products is a process that requires discipline and consistency. And this problem will only grow as you scale and might hamper your growth. These bread-earning machines requires your love and care. And if enough pampering is not provided, they might go out of service. And if this out of stock or out of service scenario occurs repeatedly, some of your repeated customers might drift away from the machines. This particular issue is more noticeable in developing nations like India. Keeping these fully stocked machines unattended in public places makes them vulnerable to stealing attempt. And some antisocial elements might even try to vandalize them for no particular reason. Some of the aspiring VMOs are trying to solve all the problems that we have discussed so far by developing in-house technological solution. But developing a scalable solution requires deep technical expertise, and it is a time-taking, expensive, and risky process. So that's it, folks. If you are running a vending business yourself, let us know if there is any other hurdle that we might have missed. And stay tuned for the next video where we'll discuss how Vendify is empowering businesses to overcome these hurdles. And as always, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.